technology.
In this video, we will be introducing our latest license plate recognition camera, the LP-A832. The 8 to 32 mm motorized lens can capture smaller objects from a longer distance when compared to the 2.8 to 12 mm lens. Additionally, f/1.6 aperture allows more light for clearer images in low light than f/1.3. The camera can capture license plates on vehicles going up to 75 miles or 120 kilometers per hour. The recommended distance for automatic number plate recognition (NVR) is 7 to 30 meters, which is approximately 23 to 98 feet. To capture plates properly, the license plates should occupy between 6% to 50% of the screen's width. Plates can be recognized properly at angles between 0 to 5 degrees. Wider angles may cause text recognition to fail, but the plate will still be visible on video as long as nothing obstructs the camera's view. This license plate recognition camera quickly captures vehicles in succession, efficiently handling cars that come one after another. Ideal for use in parking lots, toll booths, and security checkpoints. Please like and subscribe if you want us to make more videos like this one. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.